Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1/64th scale Volvo 242 Custom from Tarmac Works. It includes a roadside illustration as the background for the car, which looks really good. And it also includes a collector's card and this car number 242, which is a really special number for this car. The base has a tiled road design printed on it, and now moving on to the car, which looks really nice in this green color. The headlights are really well detailed, and you can see the Volvo logo on the center of the grille. The mesh styled wheels look really nice and it suits the car well. The door handle and the keyhole are also really well detailed. Now moving on to the back, there is the Volvo logo, which is a decal, and a lip spoiler on the boot lid, which looks really nice. The tail lamps are also really well detailed. There are louvers on the rear windshield, which looks really nice. The wipers are separate and are not molded in with the windshield. Moving on to the interior, the dashboard is really well detailed. You can see all the gauges on the instrument cluster from here. The steering wheel looks really nice. You can see the gear lever from here. The door cards are also really well detailed. There are bucket seats in the front and a bench seat at the back. You can see the dashboard more clearly from the passenger side. All of the mirrors on the car have silver paint on it and looks really nice. So this is the car out of its base. The undercarriage is really well detailed and you can see most of the details from here. The back portion of the exhaust system also has silver paint on it. Both the front and rear wheels can roll, but not freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.